Tapi betul juga macam mana ke?
What is the solution? Our solution is that you guys, you leave our university, you station anywhere you want to station, but do not enter a university without prior permission and admission from the university administration only.
Okay. For these students.
Which includes both the state police and the central police as well.
Ki samla pule ka skulbah North Eastern Hill University NEHU hakasing ningkong kilapan pau ka jing Pyrshah ka bajur halor ka jingphah de ki bor pulit ban pahara syapo ka campus jong ka skulbah. Ki samla pule kila kenturu iki district magistrate bagi de ban betha ban weng no mardor ya baro ki bor pulit napo kani ka campus. Kasian jam kalong bapin mi no na kani ka skulbah jongi balit syong sya kanu ka jaka. Wat wan rong hapo ka campus jongi klam dayo ya kanu ka jingbin. Kani ka kentup ki bor pulit ka jela bat ki pulit CRPF kumjo ong we na ki samla puli ki balami ban penpau Pyrshah. Kani ka jimpen klanya ki bor pahra hapo kani ka campus kalawan long hadin ka jingjah syak thombor badangshan jong we u assistant professor ka Hindi department jong ka skulbah ha president ka NEHU su bat ki katu ka ningut ki we pan. Uni professor ulamudui dak ejahar hapo maukun ro police outpost pat halor kani ki pulit kila kemno ya president ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union NEHU su usamla sandi sotun. Ha kate ka ejahar lakdoru ya ka jingdan benta jong ki sangut ki wepat ha kate ka kam thombor.
I said right now, the situation now. Why? Because you are written number one. You are saying jam me. And of course, you're not feeling safe in your own campus. I get that is the point, right? And here you are all students, right? There were not people who have studied, all people with knowledge, all people with intelligence. You're not going to argue based your own emotions. You're going to argue on facts. So we have a price tag. So we are also on your own, right? So we are assessing it right now. Right now, of course, what is your being threatened? Not by the fact that the active investigation. You're being threatened right now because of the large number of police personnel. I am working for what up whoever. Yes.
How many time you
So let them use their intelligence.